I'm going to show you how you can pay for Fairstone Best Buy online. Now, the way you can pay is the most common method is that you can just go to a Fairstone branch and then you can just pay it from there. If you're wondering where to find a Fairstone branch, you can go to this website here, branchesfairstone.ca, and then this is the link here, or you can just search up, find your closest Fairstone branch, and then it'll probably come up like this. Now, you can search what kind of Fairstone is the nearest near your house. So you can see there's a couple of locations here, like in Quebec, Saskatchewan, Ontario, things like that. If you go to Ontario, you can see this is the actual location that's going to be there. So you can see branches in Ontario. So you can search up your location here and you'll find the nearest actual Fairstone branch there. Now, if you don't like going to an actual Fairstone branch, there is other methods that's available as well. These includes telephone or online banking, so enter Fairstone Retail Financing as a payee at your local financial institution or again at a local Fairstone branch. You can also just mail them a check at this address right here. So Fairstone Financial Inc., attend payment processing, and that's the address right there, 630 Renault Lefesky Boulevard, W Suite, 1400 Montreal, Quebec, H3P 1S6.